This is ieGeek 24/7 solar security camera with a 9,000 milliamp battery. Check online for further details about UL ratings. This product is auto tracking 30 meters, 100 feet, and it's night vision, application driven, and more. We're going to open up the box, show you how nicely they are packaged. Laid on top will be your warranty and instruction guide in multi-language, page 1 through 16 in English, how to set up and troubleshoot, and more. With the 5-watt solar panel covered in foam, 5x8 with the 1/4 20 socket and up to 10 plus feet of USB-C cable. Connected via a gimbal tripod, hardware included. And we have the USB-C to USB-A compliance cable. Supply your own brick as an option with the hardware to hang up, the bracket included on the camera with the Wi-Fi antennas, the PTZ LED lights, and the camera sensor. Please peel off the film. The camera comes in white. Check again online for further details about the models. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to show at the bench how to hang up by taking a screw, the tripod, and locking down all 3 holes, and adjustable your gimbal. On the back of the unit, you're going to loosen up and remove and screw on the bolt. Lock down with the thumb bolt and place back on and adjust accordingly to the sun's angle. With the bracket, find a spot, locate and hang, level and lock. Place on and over the clip area and secure into place. What we're going to do is show you the camera, removing the film, the USB-C DC 5-volt area. The back of the camera has the power button, reset button, TF card slot, SDXC card not included. The camera, LEDs, and sensor area. A silver chrome ring, rotatable and adjustable 360 degrees with the Wi-Fi antennas. The snap-in locations to lock down. Placing on the camera and locking into place by securing down. Removal is pushing in on the clip and lifting back up. Placing in the USB-C cable for charging. The left-hand side is the on and off button. As we press it for over a number of seconds, a long press, we're going to get a LED light. Allow the unit to calibrate. The ieGeek application open up. When completes the calibration, will be angled downward. Hit the plus, add the device found, searching for your network. A 2.4 gigahertz network is required and allow the unit to connect. The unit will talk. It has a voice command. You'll hear a whistle. Click on next. Choose a location and a name. Hit done. Follow the installation steps. Hit next. Put the camera phone in place of the installation. It shows a strong signal connecting to the camera in a number of seconds. And here we are with a live feed. And you have more than one camera to look for. Hit the play and we have our camera all set up. We have an SD, an HD. We have live and history, screenshots, intercom, original sounds, record, PTZ, that we can raise the camera up and rotate it. To the second window, we have a light. On and off, we could turn it. A siren. Audio warning and strobe light. And you can set it up in the volume, the duration, and so forth. These are just some of the things you can do. We have a full color mode, or black and white to conserve more power of the 9,000 milliamp battery. And we have the album to look. In the history, you have a scrub line. You could look back at the information provided of each event. In the cog gear, we have storage, AI, intelligence analysis, operating mode, alarm, device share, image, sound, light, motion tracking. Setting up the motion tracking, the camera should follow up to 100 feet away. As you can see, the camera is following me as I am moving away from the camera and so forth. In our demonstration, we are hung up in a location that the motion tracking is on, collecting the sun all day and charge the unit at night. As you'll notice, the camera will follow where I go in increments. It has a wide angle, records to the SD card 24/7 or online. It is a 2.4 gigahertz system. It will notify you when motion is detected. And there is an alert of the system as we open up. We open up the information, and it has a little tip screen that you can see. And there is the motion of a person in the shot. We'll come back in the evening hours and see what the night vision looks like. This is the evening hours. The security alarm, audible sound of a siren will go off. We have it just with the LED lights, as you can see. Motion will go off after it no longer senses a human. Security camera is great for backyards, driveways, not an active area of traffic, as it will detect movement, motion detection, low light. As a light is off and we're going to walk into its sensor, it'll trigger. It'll follow me around. The camera has a scrub that you could play back the video of hours on end and look at the action. It is in events as well as going through the whole feed. This is the ieGeek S7 security camera, 24/7 security. The ieGeek X7. We go into the history and we go into the calendar and we choose the calendar and we take the timeline and we scrub it. We're able to play back in different areas, even in the open areas of no information. We're able to see everything at the camera through the SD card. We could screenshot the information so we could take it for our documentations. The camera, security camera, turn it off, is on standby. It's a camera that's 2.4 gigahertz, Wi-Fi, place anywhere imaginable, 365/7 degree with the 9,000 milliamp battery and solar array panel to capture the moments of surveilling. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for, hanging up, IP65 rated, extreme temperatures, please check on the URL and check on the camera from ieGeek, the S7 wire-free AOV PTC solar security camera. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.